Let's be honest, the world is way too loud right now. If you're anything like me, you need a break, a place to just breathe. These pieces are my reset button. They might just be black and white and those beautiful warm and cool grays, but for me, they're a whole conversation. A chance to let go of all the color and just focus on the feeling. This process isn't always pure inspiration, believe me. It's more about showing up and doing the work. It's trusting that when the brush hits the canvas, your hand knows exactly what your brain is struggling to figure out. The hand moves on its own, translating the moment, turning a deep feeling into a simple, honest mark. It's the most vulnerable part, starting something new and knowing you have to keep moving, adding, and sometimes even scraping it all back. That's the secret, I think. Finding the feeling isn't about forcing a masterpiece. It's about letting the painting teach you what it needs to be. It's about the quiet time you give yourself to create. I hope watching this gave you a little breathing space and a spark for your own work. If this video resonated with you, please hit the like button and subscribe. It's the best way to support this channel and keep these quiet moments coming. Thank you so much for joining me. Now go make something beautiful.